Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the radio, fuses and relays are located, those are also known as audio fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, where you can expect to find now, okay, the fuses and the relays for the radio, the audio system. We're going to demonstrate on this generation Chevy Suburban and Chevy Tahoe. Both vehicles are built on the same platform. The only difference, the Suburban is longer, but it should work for both. And now specifically guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are all over the SUV. That's why we made a very special video, very informative video about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe and Chevy Suburban on our YouTube channel. What you need to do now, first you need to go ahead and open the passenger door. Then you here come to the side of the dash. You see you have one cover. That cover guys will need to be pried open. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check now, we need to check, by the way, up to 3 different fuses for the audio system, radio audio system, where they're located now. So here guys, okay, the first thing that you want to check is fuse 26. We're talking a bit about this double, okay, 10M fuse. That fuse will guys, okay, need to be checked. That's known as micro 3-blade fuse. They're seriously overpriced and hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them. Another one that you want to check is 29 guys. That's the very important fuse right here, the most important one of all. That one here, check this one out. And the next one that you need to check will be fuse number 48 right here. That one too. Now what about relays? You don't have guys relays, those are known as relay fuses, but sometimes you may have a hidden fuse, and that fuse is actually on the back of the radio. If you physically remove the radio out of the dash, not on all the cars but on quite a few, there will be actually a fuse on the back of the radio as well that could be burned. It's worth to investigate and see if yours has one there too. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.